What's good, Bass Drop Militia? In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make a magical milkshake. Let's go ahead and get into it. Let's do it! Alright guys, Bass Drop Keys here. I'm your friendly neighborhood Negro, and we're back with another video. In today's video, we got a great one for you. I'm going to show you how to make a magical milkshake with the magical butter machine. As I promised you guys, I'm going to show you how to do different things using the magical butter machine. A lot of you guys probably didn't even know that you could do milkshakes with the magical butter machine, but that's what we're going to be doing today. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and get into this. This is not a hard thing to do at all. It's very simple. We're going to go ahead and get into it right now. So the first thing you got to do obviously is you got to take off the head of the machine. Let's do that. Alright guys, so now that we have the head off the machine, we're going to go ahead and start making our milkshake. We're doing a chocolate milkshake today, but you can do any kind of milkshake that you want to do. The first thing that you need is we need 2 pints of softened chocolate ice cream. Right here is more than 2 pints. 2 pints is 32 fluid ounces if you didn't know. This one right here is 48. So I'm going to go ahead and estimate 2 pints. Let's go ahead and put it in. Here we go. Alright, so we have our 2 pints of chocolate ice cream in the machine. The next thing is we need a cup of chocolate syrup. Here we go. You also want to have some left over so you can drizzle it on the top. But let's go ahead and put a cup in here right now. We also need a cup of whole milk. Let's do it. Alright, the next thing that we need is a tablespoon of vanilla extract. And finally, what we're going to put in the machine is 2 tablespoons of our magical olive oil that we made yesterday on the channel. Alright, so now we got to put the head back on the machine. Plug it in. And so now what you do is you're not going to hit any temperature on the machine. The last button here, it says blend and clean. You're just going to hit that right here. Let's do it. And that's it. Let the cycle complete. When we're finished, we'll have a magical milkshake. Let's let the cycle complete. Alright guys, so as you can hear, the cycle is complete. Let's unplug it. Take off the head and pour our milkshake. Let's do it. Alright guys, so you see that we have our milkshake poured. I'm going to finish mine with a little syrup and a lovely cherry on the top. So guys, that's it. That's how you make a magical milkshake. I hope that this video helped you out. So guys, thank you guys so much. I really appreciate you. So until I see you guys the next time, peace and good eats. Go get you some merch. Shop.goodeats420.com. I'm out guys. Much love.